What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at a new release from Paul Rich. We're going to be looking at another one of their frosted timepieces. You guys seem to enjoy the last one that I did a little while back, so I thought I'd take a look at another version that's newly released here and offer some thoughts. Now, this is the frosted King's Jade 45mm timepiece from Paul Rich. For starters, it features a brushed gold stainless steel case that's 45mm in size and 11mm thick. It also has an emerald green dial and a 22mm stainless steel bracket with the same Miyota quartz movement running the show here. The entire watch, though, is in this frosted design too, which is that diamond-esque glitter looking thing all over the place here, all over the watch pretty much. As I explained in the last video too about this frosted look is not just like a glitter that's glued to the metal or something like that. Or I think someone even asked if it had like a layer of some glitter-like material and then a clear coat or something over top to keep it on there. It's absolutely not that either. This actually feels like it's part of the metal itself, like it was lasered in there or something like that, engraved into it even. It does not come off when you rub it. It does not even if you take your nail and try to scratch it, it does not come off or flake at all. Moving over to the back of the watch here, I think they got some nice details going on there. There's nothing really out of the usual for this brand going on there, but I do think it looks pretty good. And then moving back over to the front again, can we just take a second to appreciate the slickness, the pure slickness that is this green watch face? I mean, green is not usually, it's not usually my go-to, it's not usually my bag, but I have to admit, I'm really loving the emerald green combined with the white accents and the gold surrounding it. As far as putting it on the wrist goes, it's pretty much just as I expected. And as usual for this brand, I was pleased with the actual weight of the watch. It came in right at about 6.4 ounces, so it's really not heavy by any means, but it's got enough weight to it to make me feel secure about it. Other than that, there's nothing out of the ordinary going on here besides how good this thing looks on my wrist. I'll be honest, gold, again, isn't my usual thing. It's not usually my go-to. Just like green really isn't for that matter. I'm terrible really at just venturing out of my color comfort box. I'll almost always go for the blacks, silvers, dark blues sometimes, but I really wanted to do something different this time as far as colors go, and I'm really glad I did it. I think it complements different colors well, and if the color itself doesn't pop out to you, the color mixed with the frosted look absolutely does. Now for pairings, my mind usually goes to formal wear with watches like this. I mean, every time I just go straight to formal wear, but I'm seeing a lot of possibilities with this one. I think you could probably wear this with pretty much whatever you wanted in the arena of complementary colors. I mean, t-shirts will work, jackets, sweaters, suits, whatever you want, in my opinion anyway, will absolutely work with this watch. That though is what I see with this new watch from Paul Rich. As usual, the final verdict is up to you, and if you'd like to check this out or anything else from this brand, there will be a link in the description as usual. And while you're there, make sure you do the usual for me: like, comment, subscribe, all that very important stuff. And I do thank you in advance for doing that. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.